Yo, it's your boy Crypto Cowboy back at it again, stuffing these duffel bags and collecting that cheddar. Before I begin, please, please, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a friend trying to educate you. Yeah, that's it. All right, today we're talking about MoonMaker Protocol. Let me close that out real quick. Yeah, MoonMaker Protocol, a fair ride to the moon with value-based investment tokens. What are they about to do? MoonMaker Protocol, MMP, is a DeFi-based token launch and investment platform that aims to bring high-yield returns to investors. We offer airdrops, exclusive, high-growth potential tokens, and more to our holders. See, I'm liking these semi-launchpad investment platform Moon tokens. I love it. These RFI tokens, love it. Love every minute of it. This is where you can buy MMP, the BSC scan, chart, and then there's MMP Warrant 1, so you could buy that, BSC scan, chart, info. There's more about Warrant 1 down below, but let's see. Earn up to 14% APY from trading fees, 24-hour average. Volume, liquidity, and market cap. Yep. Total supply of 200 million MMP. All right. That's a fairly low supply. All right. That's kind of the price right there. So it's kind of been, staying steady. And then boom shakalaka, 22.2% during this quote unquote Bitcoin bear market. All right. CertiK audit in progress. Or CertiK, whichever you prefer to call it. Partners, blockspot.io. This is the warrant token schedule. Hold 60,000 MMP to get MMP Warrant 1 warrant token via airdrop. And that's the first schedule, subscription period, calculation period. Those are the dates. List MMP W1 MMP on PancakeSwap. Okay. Final MMP W1 token distribution. All right. Start converting MMP W1 back to MMP in 3 days, 10 hours, 20 minutes, and 50 seconds. Oh, that's pretty sweet. And then end convert of that on that date and remove LP between those two on the 3rd of June. All right. Tokenomics capped at 200 million tokens. Not bad. Low, small market, not market cap, small token supply. Trading limit of 400,000 tokens per transaction. So they're trying to thwart, anti-whale behavior, which I'm not mad at all. Liquidity pool, 5% tax to liquidity pool, 3% tax to holders, and 2% tax for marketing and operational expenses and burn. Sounds kind of standard, so not mad at that. That's the token symbol. Binance Smart Chain, total supply, max cap per transaction, 400,000, and there's the BSC scan. And this is how to buy. So if you want to pause it or go to the website, link in the description. Let's see. And the roadmap. So they already launched the token. Website launched. Social media platform. List on PancakeSwap DEX. Airdrop platform. Giving you other tokens. Warrant trading platform. Live coin watch listing. Blah, 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 blah. They have their own lotto system, by the way. I'll show you that in a minute. CoinGecko. CMC. Hidden projects. More marketing, audit approaching, listing on central exchange, list on other decentralized exchanges, initial Moon offering, so that's going to be their launch pad, and more hidden projects, and decentralized exchange platform, and more hidden projects. All in all, this does not sound bad, and this is their lottery. 23 hours, 49 minutes, and 2 seconds until lottery round number 5 draw. There are 146 tickets sold. Let's see. Round number 4, winning numbers were 7, 7, 7, 15. So if that's your lucky number, well, you won. You better get your prize. All right, let's see. What else? I have no tickets. I plan on joining in on a little bit. How it works, spend MMP to buy tickets, contributing to the lottery pot. Win prizes if 2, 3, or 4 of your ticket numbers match the winning numbers and their exact order. And you can learn more there. Let's see. There are currently 8,340 addresses holding this right now. So That's kind of, they got a good baseline for holders. All right. And this is what the chart looks like on Bogged Finance. It's been kind of staying steady there, then started to go down, but then came back up, and then now it's stable, but it's starting to pump again right here. Hold on, let me zoom in. Yeah, starting to pump again with 22.36% now at 13 cents. That is pretty cheap, especially if we're not in a quote unquote bear market and it's just a dip for Bitcoin. But and one BNB gets you 2,329 MMP. What do I think about this project? I'm probably going to, I don't know about you, but I'm probably going to dip my toes in a little bit. This is just a project in its early stages, but what do I know anyway? I'm just keeping you up to date on the down low. But anyway, I guess I'll see you later, partner.